children, nice to see your faces once again. Are you ready with your worksheets? Now we will solve them one by one. Here's the first worksheet. Now your children are going to be teachers for a change, and you all will be checking your own worksheet and putting a tick or cross. Which part of the plant is this right on top? It's a flower, and the first letter of the word flower is F. So if you have written F, put a tick. And if you have written any other alphabet, put a cross. F for flower. Now which part of the plant is inside the flower? It's the seed. And the first letter of the word seed is S. So it's an S for seed. Which part of the plant is green? It's the leaf. And the first letter of the word leaf is L. So we will write L. L for leaf. Which part do the branches rest on? It's the stem. And the first letter of the word stem is S. So we will write S. S for stem. And lastly, which part of the plant is below the ground and holding the plant? It's the root. And the first letter of the word root is R. So R for root. So you have got all your answers. Shall we revise them once again? F for flower, S for seed, L for leaf, S for stem, and R for root. Now we shall proceed with the next worksheet. In this worksheet, you all were told to join a line from column A, plant part, to column B, name of the plant. In the first picture is a flower. So we will draw a line to FL for flower. In the second picture is a leaf. So we will draw a line to L for leaf. In the third picture is a fruit. So we will draw a line to FR for fruit. In the fourth picture is the stem. So we will draw a line to S for stem. And in the last picture are the roots. So we will draw a line to R for roots. So I will repeat once again, children. Flower, leaf, fruit, stem, and roots. So we have finished our work for today. So children, I hope all of you enjoyed coloring and learning the different parts of a plant. You can try drawing a few more plants if you wish to. Keep revising and stay safe.